Hello. Now this one is the checker barcode scanner in how many the battery. You see the menu. Put it here. Scan the disk code power. You see, battery is the 90%. Now is the charge, right? You say it's the same like this one is okay, but this one is the no work. So you check this battery. Scanner how many percent the battery? Menu. Power the barcode. In scanner have the battery. Okay, it's the change. Put it here. Scan the off again. Scan this barcode. Menu. Scan this barcode. Scanner all is finished. Finish scan. Okay. Is number one. Is put here. This bucket. Now this blue light is no have. Right? Again. Put here. Blue is the have. Oh, it's okay. You check this light. Maybe it's blue is not. Maybe the charge is the battery is no work. Is the change USB cable. You test USB cable. You test charge the maybe 30 minutes. USB charge. Okay. Function is set. See? USB charge. You test.